Here it is. I got a broken mirror. It's a 2013 Kia Optima SLX. I don't know if someone bumped it or just old. So got me a replacement mirror from TRQ. View before you do. They have some really good tutorials on how to install their products. They have several different products, and the price was right. So let me show you how to install it. Again, this is a 2013 Kia Optima SLX. First, you're going to pop these off. These come off pretty easily. First, you're going to remove the old mirror. You're going to unplug the thing. This simple plug. You use a ratchet to loosen. On this particular mirror, there's 3 bolts. I'm sure everybody's going to be different if you have a different vehicle. They do have parts for several different vehicles, for all different vehicles and different parts. I don't believe it's just mirrors. Okay, loosen it. And this should just squeeze this here, and this just pops off. And there's the old mirror. It's useless now. There's 2 pieces. There's the cover and there's the main unit. It comes bubble wrapped. It's nicely packaged and protected. I've seen others, they come in 1 piece. This is apparently a 2-piece. This just apparently pops on. Next, you will align the piece, the outer piece, and line it up. And it just snaps in place. Make sure everything's lined up. There you have it. You just gotta line it up, and the clips snap in place, and just make sure everything is lined up good, like so. So, yep. Now we're gonna install it. So next, we're gonna install the mirror by lining up the bolts, the holes, like so. And once they're there, we're gonna start screwing the bolts on. Oh, sorry for the shake. Give it a hand. Take your ratchet, screw it, tighten it up evenly. You saw that, didn't you? All right. Then I'll plug it in. It's not coming. It's in. Now, before I put the plate back on, I'm going to go ahead and test it. All right, it's all plugged up. Now we'll get in the car and start it up, and I'm going to test the mirror. Hopefully everything works as it should. First, we'll test. Yep, that works as it should. Now let's adjust the mirror. And that appears to work as it should. Now let's see the blinker. Is the blinker working? Yes, the blinker is working. And there you have it. Very easy to install. I'm just going to put the plate back on. It just pops back on. Save yourself a bunch of money. Everything works great.